Benas invests $850 at a rate of R% per year. Compound interest at the end of 12 years, the value of her investment is $1,120. Calculate the value of R. Alright, compound interest formula, A is equals to P1 plus R over 100 to the power of N. Okay, A is the total amount of the investment at the end of the investment period. 1120. P is your principal, the starting amount. 1 plus the rate is unknown over 100, and the compounding happens for 12 years. It's not monthly or half yearly or quarterly, it's just yearly. Alright, so we need to find the value of R over here. How do we do that? 1120 divided by 850. Okay, and this will be equivalent to 1 plus R over 100. Excuse me, to the power of 12. 1 plus R over 100 to the power of 12. 1120 over 850, and we need to remove the power of 12. How do we do that? We need to do a 12 root, or the technique is this. Okay, to remove a power, you can shift it to the other side, and all you need to do is just to flip the power. Alright, so R over 100 is equals to 1120 over 850, 1 over 12 minus 1, and R is just 100 multiplied by all of these things. 1 over 12 minus 1. So we just need to patch the calculator and we'll be able to achieve our answer. Divide by 850, and this is to the power of 1120 divided by 850 by 12 minus 1 times 100, and we'll get R to be 2.3253, round all three significant figures. 2.33. This is our 3SF final answer.